Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Style Me Better. It is about fashion and style, and today we have a Zara haul. We will see what's new. I ordered a big package of Zara. I wanted to upgrade my closet for some new pieces this summer, and we will see what I've chosen. It's like finally summer and we can start to use more summer clothes here in Stockholm, in Scandinavia. It's been quite cold the whole April and half of the May, and only now it became warmer. I wanted something for summer which I didn't have in my closet. So the first piece is the skirt. This skirt is from the cotton. It looks almost like a denim, but it's softer. You can see how soft it is. It's quite long. For me it's Maxi. It's in white color with blue stripes on it, and with these kind of slits in the front, the opening. I hope my microphone working good here. So I like this blue stitching also here and then the back pockets, so it looks like a denim skirt. I actually have a denim skirt in a denim color, like in blue denim, and in a gray black denim also from last season, and I use this type of skirts a lot, so I know that this will also work for me. The only thing that it's quite long, and I'm petite, 158 centimeters tall, and I will leave all the information down below, all my measurements, so hopefully it will be helpful for you. And I will also say which sizes I got, my measurements, so you can have a look how they will look on you. So it is extra small and cost approximately like 35 euros. It suits good, like in the size it's normal size, so you can take your normal size, no problem. And I must say that I am surprised that it's a good soft material, so even if you are traveling you can easily take it to your luggage. For me it's very important when I travel to have with me clothes which take not so much space, especially in summer. It is important. So yes, with this purchase I am quite happy. I will show you the logo here. I think I will keep it. The only thing that maybe I will need to tailor it like 4 centimeters, so it will be not too long, not like to the it should be maxi, but it should not be till the ground, so it is too much. Otherwise it suits good. If you are a little bit taller than me, if you are like from 160, 65 and 70 up to, then it will be good. So the other thing that I've purchased is the jeans, the baggy, they called baggy balloon jeans. I actually saw them already in several bloggers first, and I decided to try them also on, and I love how they look. In this case the denim is quite heavy and weighs more and more thick, so it's not the same like with a skirt. If I will, for example, pack it to my bag when I travel, then it will take much more space and much more waste. It will weigh a lot. Probably I will mostly keep it, I will mostly use it in the city here, not necessary to take them to traveling. I love these details here on the closer to the knees. You can see there is, I will come closer. This is like a, so the form of the pants is a bit kind of like round. You have like round legs, but it's fashionable. So I have the size 34, and I will write you the color. I think it's like light blue, because they have different kinds of blue. So and I don't have this color in my jeans closet, so I have like darker blue, like my jacket blue, and then even more dark and white, but I didn't have this kind of light blue. It's almost with a gray undertone, and I actually like how it will look with this denim shirt. I will link it also below, and the dress also, which is on me. I like when it looks like that, because if I want to have the denim jeans which I have in my closet, then they are two kind of almost the same color but not the same tone, so it looks not so good. But if they are much different tone or color, then for me it looks much better. And they are so long and they are a bit big here in the stomach, but I like when they hang. They should hang. And then these pieces, which I will show you, and it's like it was love from the first sight when I saw it online. I thought that I have to have it. It is this beautiful set in organza. I can't explain to you how much I love it. This is the front. No, this is the front. First I wanted to have only the skirt because I think it looks amazing. The model has some black underwear, shorts, and I want to style it with a black skirt under with approximately the same length. I always loved transparent things, and I already had like pieces like that in my closet before with the transparent like from this kind of materials, and you could make some layers in summer, because in summer when it's warm you don't have so many options to make layers, but this is one of the options when it's really hot but you want still to have some layers and to look interesting. So this is the back side of the skirt. It's really made good. It's a good quality, I would say, and I have a size extra small of the skirt, and then I decided to try a top also, and now I think that I will keep a top because it's beautiful when it is set. I loved how it looks. The top is in size small because I thought that I always take a little bit bigger size on my upper part, because I have a quite wide shoulders, and the skirt is smaller, like extra small and small, but it's not so much difference. If I would take this in extra small, I think it also would suit good. This kind of orange, it's not too bright orange, it's still good in summer. It can go together with brown accessories. Like, wait a minute, if for example if we take the brown sandals and the bag in the same tan color, so it will look perfect. I will link the sandals, by the way. I love them. They are also new. The sandals are from Shein, by the way. Many wrote to me in my Instagram that they love this set. I had a real video in my Instagram. If you are not still subscribe my Instagram. There are also a lot of useful information, and I style all the things that I show you here also in my Instagram. I actually bought also the top, the black top to the jeans. It's quite tight, and I will put the video also. I will style them together for you, but I probably will return it because it feels too tight for me. It is size small, and it's good I didn't order extra small, but anyway, I probably need medium, or I will see if I will keep it or not, because I bought another top very similar. This one is from Shein, and this has also padding on the inside from to the breasts, and it's a little bit more soft, pleasant fabric. So I think this one I will keep. So Zara top I will return. I will also send the links of the both tops. You can choose which one you like more. For me, this works better. And the next piece, don't fall the box. I put it on here. The next piece is the dress. It's a linen dress, good quality, 100% linen. I love linen dresses in summer. I will show you. It's on one side, one shoulder. I thought that it's interesting design. I have several linen dresses from before in a beige color and in white, like cotton dresses, but I didn't have white linen dress, and I thought it can be a good addition to my closet, and it fits really good. It's extra small size and costs 699. It's approximately maybe 70 euros or 69 euros, but it's quite long again for me. For a petite, so Zara sometimes is not petite friendly. I usually also name it in my videos when I talk about styling, about sizing, what should we choose and how it looks, and about I'm petite, so this channel is probably also interesting for those girls who are also petite. The good thing about this dress is that it has an underlining, so one more dress here, as you see, from the very soft nice cotton, and I think it's really beautiful. And I could also have a small size. I decided to go for extra small because it should not be too much open here. Didn't decide if I will keep or return it, need to try it one more time, but you can write me in the comments what you think. Should I keep or return it, because it's quite long. So the only thing that I'm like thinking, because I have quite many long dresses in my closet, so I don't know if I will have a lot of use of this kind of long dress. Otherwise, I love everything about it, and definitely can recommend for those people who are looking for summer dresses in white. And the last piece, here is it. So as I said, I am very happy. I'm happy with all my picks, and one thing more which I have, it's actually the belt. As you see, it's new. I didn't yet have time to completely see how it should work. It has a size 85, but I think it's only one size, you can't choose, so it's like one size belt. And as I guess, I need to untighten this knot here. There is one more knot over here. I'm a little bit afraid. So I wanted to have this belt. When I saw it online, I thought, oh my goodness, this will be a nice addition to all my summer dresses, which I don't know how to style, or maybe to have it around the waist on the shirt or t-shirt or even a blazer. It's a bit like Bottega vibe. We'll see. I will try it on my dress, but not sure that it's the best dress to try, but it's approximately, my goodness, how to do it. It's approximately should look probably like that. So it's a good accent, and I can imagine that I will have, for example, a black dress or a white dress. When you have two simple things and you want to make it more playful and interesting, it's really good, I think, idea to have it on your belly. Let's untighten it. Yeah, like this it should be. Oh my goodness, I really love it, I must say. Yeah, this will stay with me, and I love these materials here. I love these ropes. Like I can show you closer how they looks. It's quite nice, also quality. I feel like I need to go to some party and dance. So I'm very happy with all my purchases from Zara. I hope that you liked this haul. Write me in the description box which one piece you liked most, and I see you very, yes, by the way, this dress which I wear now, I really need to leave you the link on it because I also love it. I see you very soon in one of my next videos. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye bye.